Hello, today I want to teach you how to make a comic using Adobe InDesign. Firstly, you must create a storyboard. Then, after create a storyboard, you must sketch the scene according to your story. After that, you can scan or capture your sketch and transfer it into your laptop. Time for design your comic. First, open your Adobe InDesign. After that, create a new document and go to Print section and select A5 paper size. Create your frame box. Choose rectangle tool and draw. And then choose direct selection tool and select one of 4 anchor point to move. After create the frame box, place the picture that you capture or scan into the frame box. To make dialogue, choose ellipse tool and draw. Then use add anchor point tool to create the point shape. Then, choose the text box to insert the text dialogue. For pages, go to Master, create a text box, select the text, go to Type, insert special character, markers, and current page number. You can add your pages. Set your background color. can export the comic to print or interactive media. Enjoy your result.